Instagram disables accounts for violating their community guidelines or terms of use. This includes things like fake accounts, spam, inappropriate content, or repeated policy violations. If your account was disabled, the first thing to do is carefully read the notification from Instagram. It will often explain why the account was disabled. Look for an appeal button directly in the app when you try to log in. This is your first and often fastest route to recovery. If you don't see an appeal button, there might be a delay, or the reason could be severe, warranting further investigation on your part to identify potential violations. When submitting your appeal, be clear, concise, and polite. Acknowledge Instagram's policies and explain why you believe the disablement was a mistake. For instance, if you believe your account was wrongly flagged for spam, explain your posting habits and engagement style. If you accidentally violated a rule, admit it and state you will avoid it in the future. Provide any information that supports your case, like proof of identity or content ownership. After submitting the appeal, monitor your email, including spam folders, for responses from Instagram. If you don't hear back within a week, consider submitting another appeal. Persistence, coupled with a well-reasoned explanation, is key to potentially recovering your disabled account. Remember to be patient, as Instagram processes numerous appeals daily.